This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV 24/7.
Hello and welcome to our special show on CAT 2009. Now it is of course the exam which gets people into the mecca of business schools, especially the IIMs. And of course this year the big innovation was that they're going to scrap traditional tests of pen and papers and they're only going to have online tests. But on Saturday, when thousands of students landed up at the exam centers, they had a rude awakening. They found that the systems weren't working. So for a lot of people, they couldn't take the test. A lot of students who did take the test, they weren't happy because there was too much chaos and things just weren't what they expected to be. Prometric, the company which was running the tests, they said that was a viral attack. Take a look.
Myself and about 10 other people, their computers did not start.
लॉगिन बेसिकली पहले तो इनके सर्वर्स डाउन थे.
Everything is uncertain. We don't know what is going to uncertain. We don't know what is going to happen.
Mentally you feel a bit pressurized. Mentally you feel a bit pressurized after that.
Just stupidity. Online exam failure है this time.
So it's not a happy situation. A lot of students have spent an entire year. They've also spent a lot of money on this thing. We're going to have a special panel here in the studio. We're also going to be joined by Professor Satish Deodhar in IIM. He's going to be answering questions. But first, we want to go to the students and hear from them about what it's been all about, how they've been affected, because after all, it's really all about them. So Kanya is here and a lot of other students as well who've taken the test. So Kanya, would you like to tell your story first? What happened?
Good evening, sir. So when I reached the center, the first problem I faced was that my system didn't work. Then after I think about 45 minutes when people started freaking out, I think there were 2 people left. So they provided me with a system. With another
No, what? It wasn't turning on.
It wasn't working. So they gave me another person's system, which was with another registration ID. So I asked the NIT professional like about 4 times that, are you sure that I'm supposed to be at the system because it doesn't have my registration number? And he told me not to worry and just be at the system. And then finally, I think I was just too skeptical about it. So I approached the lady from the Prometric. And she told me that I'm not supposed to be here. So finally, I was taken out and told that just wait here. I tried to tell the dean that, may I please speak to the Prometric, the lady from Prometric. We were not allowed to enter the place. The lady wouldn't come out. Nobody would speak to us. So the dean, he was nice enough to, calm us down.
General trauma.
General trauma, nothing was happening. Screens were disappearing. There were people who were crying because screens disappeared. The professionals, they were telling these people that if your screen disappeared, that we can do nothing about it. In fact, CAT, when they had a demo, we were told that there'll be a compulsory tutorial. We were told that if you want to read through the tutorial, you have to take out time from your test. You will not be given any extra time to read the tutorial. Because anyways, there was complete chaos. People were shouting, and there were people who were taking tests who were shouting because they were like, we need silence.
Now, do you have a rescheduled date?
I do not. In fact, we were completely frustrated. We told them that reschedule it for us. Please, that's the least you can do. They were like, just call up candidate care.
Tuba.com,